So we have yet another routing method available as compared to magisk, kernel su, a patch. We have one more patch available, which is Folkpatch. I guess this is actually a fork of a patch. So this is something similar to that, having some amazing features and customization and some useful thing obviously. And one of the main thing is strong integrity. I'll talk about that later on. Make sure to watch this video till the end. Video is going to be quite exciting, so make sure to watch this till the end. So if you move on to module section as quickly as possible, because many users are looking forward to that, we have online modules repository. I will not provide the link for these repositories or that strong magisk module link, basically strong integrity link. In this case, we'll find it and let me show you. We just got this one named as always strong. This is a module available. Let me just confirm with you, I do not have installed magisk already. I have not installed play integrity fixed, tricky store, nothing. This is the only module, one single module I tried installing after installing Folkpatch, and let me see how the things work. After installing, after rebooting my device, if I open and check integrity, in this case, as you can see, basic device and strong, no issues at all. Nothing, no extra modules, no extra setup. This is something really exciting. As I tried this on the latest Android 17 QPR1 Beta 8 for the Google Pixel devices, bootloader is obviously unlocked. It should work for your device also, in your device also, so go and check this out. In module section, you can see this is the only module I have installed, no extra modules at all. What about the other features and things which are available in this case? If we take a look at these general options, basic things are here. Like you can enable updates, check and so on. Nothing much, nothing else, nothing extra. You have the option to customize some things, but that's fine. In appearance section, you will find some extra theming options, or you can say some appearance kind of things. For example, the home layout. If you just try this one, this is how the UI is looking like. If you want to use this, you can use this UI style, or else you have the option for grid UI. We have the option for other styles. So whichever you feel comfortable with, it's completely up to you. Most of you might not be interested in these kind of things, but it's available. So just wanted to let you know. What about other things? You can even enable the floating bar. Sometimes it works like liquid glass. It's options. These options are available in settings, so you can go and explore. But everything else is just kind of similar like the other ones. So if you are not into these kind of things, not into customization or these kind of options, you can skip this thing for sure. The main thing was play integrity fix. I've already told you. The main thing was this Folkpatch. This is basic introduction going on. We have some theming options available, by the way, in case you are not aware of. It has a lot of inbuilt theming options available. So you can use these themes in case you want to. Again, if you're a customization lover, this is the one for you. We have a lot of custom ROMs, which has a lot of customizations and so on. So you can use this one too. We have one more thing, which is Linux mode. By default, in most of the custom ROMs, most of the devices enforcing. But if you want to make it permissive to install some Dolby Atmos modules and so on, so you can do that very easily. One click and you are done. If you move on to other options, we have some extra things. For example, if you don't want to show the magisk implementation on the home screen, the app's home screen, basically, you can disable that option. Some modules related tweaks are also there. So yes, these are the things available. If you want to check it out, I'll provide you the link in the description for Folkpatch. Installing is similar to kernel su and a patch, so definitely go and check that out. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Until then, take care.